Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Have you ever heard of Akutaq? It's often called Eskimo ice cream, but this traditional Alaskan dish is far more than a simple dessert. Akutaq is a vital part of native Alaskan culture, offering a unique blend of ingredients that tell a story of survival and tradition. This isn't your average sweet treat. It's a hearty mix of berries, animal fat, and sometimes fish, crafted to provide sustenance in harsh environments. Learning about Akutaq gives us a glimpse into the ingenuity and rich heritage of Alaskan communities. What is Akutaq? A closer look at the ingredients. Understanding Akutaq means looking closely at what goes into this unique dish. Its ingredients tell a story of living off the land in Alaska, showing how resourceful people were. Each component serves a purpose, from providing energy to adding flavor. The fats: bear, seal or reindeer. Animal fats are the foundation of many traditional Akutaq recipes. These fats come from animals like caribou or reindeer suet, seal oil or bear fat. They are not just for taste. These fats offered crucial energy and helped preserve the food, especially in older times before refrigeration. Imagine needing to store food for long winters. These fats were perfect for that. They also provide a rich, creamy texture to Akutaq. The berries, wild harvests of Alaska. Alaskan berries bring a burst of flavor and nutrition to Akutaq. Common varieties include blueberries, sweet and packed with antioxidants. Cranberries, tart and known for their health benefits. Salmon berries, often golden or orange, with a delicate flavor. Crowberries, dark, small berries, a traditional staple. These berries are gathered seasonally, reflecting the cycles of the land. They add natural sweetness, a bit of tartness, and important vitamins to the dish. Their texture also contrasts nicely with the richness of the fats. The sometimes fish, a surprising addition. While not always present, some traditional Akutaq recipes include fish. This might be dried fish, cooked whitefish, or even ground fish. Why fish in what we call ice cream? Historically, fish provided essential protein and nutrients, especially when other food sources were scarce. The inclusion of fish varies greatly. Some families or regions never use it, while for others, it is a key part of their Akutaq. This flexibility shows how adaptable traditional recipes are. It highlights the ingenuity of using all available resources to create a nourishing meal. More than sustenance, Akutaq's cultural heartbeat. Akutaq is much more than a simple food. It lives at the center of native Alaskan culture, deeply woven into history, community life, and the passing down of knowledge. This unique dish embodies the resourcefulness and spirit of people who thrive in one of the world's most challenging environments. It shows how food can connect us to our past, present, and future. A staple for survival and sustenance. Imagine living in a place where food sources could be scarce and winters were long and brutal. Akutaq was a lifeline. It packed immense caloric density from animal fats and necessary vitamins from berries. This made it a perfect food for enduring the harsh Arctic climate. Traditional hunting and gathering formed the backbone of survival. Hunters brought back caribou, seal or bear, whose fats were then carefully processed for Akutaq. Berries were meticulously gathered during the brief summer months, a task often shared by families. These ingredients directly reflect the land and its offerings. Akutaq served as a vital energy source, helping people stay warm and strong through demanding daily life and long journeys. It was a tangible link to the land and the animals that sustained communities. Celebrations and community gatherings. When communities came together, Akutaq often held a special place. It was served at festivals, potlatches, and important life events like naming ceremonies or successful hunting returns. Sharing a bowl of Akutaq went beyond just eating. It was an act that strengthened bonds and celebrated shared heritage. Consider these occasions where Akutaq shone. Village festivals, a central dish, often prepared in large batches for everyone. Harvest celebrations, a way to honor successful berry harvests and hunting seasons. Family reunions, bringing together relatives with a taste of tradition. Serving Akutaq highlighted generosity and community spirit. It offered a moment to reflect on ancestral practices and express cultural identity. Every spoonful carried stories of resilience and connection, making it truly a celebratory food. Passing down traditions, making Akutaq today. The art of making Akutaq continues to be a vibrant tradition, carefully passed from elders to younger generations. It teaches not only a recipe but also patience, respect for the land, and cultural values. Grandparents often teach their grandchildren the specific techniques for whipping the fat, choosing the best berries, and blending the ingredients just right. While traditional methods are still honored, some modern adaptations exist. Today, people might use vegetable shortening or store-bought oils if animal fats are hard to find. Sweeteners like sugar are sometimes added, though many prefer the natural sweetness of the berries. Despite these small changes, the core spirit of Akutaq remains. Many Alaskan families continue to prepare Akutaq for special family occasions, celebrating birthdays or holidays with the taste of home. Community events, contributing to potlucks and cultural gatherings. Everyday enjoyment, a comforting and nutritious treat, much like it was for their ancestors. Making Akutaq today is a powerful way to keep cultural identity alive and honor the ingenuity of past generations. It ensures that this unique Alaskan tradition will continue to nourish bodies and spirits for years to come. That's the story behind Akutaq's roots and meaning. But how is it actually made, and what variations exist today? Stay tuned for part 2. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.